So, just a quick video to show you what I've been up to. I don't know where you can see this or not. Lighting's not very good. But anyway, this is some resin and some hardener that I picked up from Total Boat, along with some other supplies. Some, what is it called this? Some tuck tape, stirring sticks, a couple plungers. Anyway, I need to repair the front door for Kristen's tiny home. So you can see that the tiny home door, I got it laid on its side right now, but it's damaged where the old handle was. It's a solid core door, probably 70, 80 years old, something like that. Got it at Habitat, the back side of the door where the old handle is. It's like that, but it's a glass door. Looks good. And what I did was I did a little test sample today of this resin right here at the end of the door, and it's hard as a rock. Mix it 2 to 1. You're probably more familiar with resin than I am. This was a chore for me, simply because I wasn't used to using it. It hardened up really fast, and cleaning up was kind of a pain. But anyway, I'll have to redo this a little bit. I got a little edges, a couple edges. I didn't get it quite level, so a couple edges right here that will need to be touched up. And then, of course, down there where the old handle was, solid core door, so it's just a hole. I'm going to tuck tape it on the other side and then just pour it in here and fill it up, and then I'll re-drill for the handle. And I got to set hinges. There's no hinges on here. Somebody used some type of exterior hinge somewhere, but anyway, I'll mortise the hinges in like you normally do a door. Buy a exterior door frame and set it in. So anyway, I just thought I'd let you know what I'm kind of up to, and let you know how this turns out once I get it all finished.